I know what follow near Juma. Why? Said they by Facebook.
Follow because not there, and they any day, and they is a rough day. Yes, it's a young call.
Also, to me for
the blues.
Also, to me for
oh, maybe a magiatum.
No,
I'm so much jubilating.
On to me for opening all questions. David, I be to what they backing vocalist. What they say? Me say, Madika Catcher say, Fanny dear, my dear, need son. There are
one and any dear son were high. I'm
no. I'm for disrespect teachers, including pundits on television.
No, looking at the two teams, no.
So can say PSG will win. I agree. PSG be winning by a certain margin.
That was what I said.
And then I'll predict a final game. Predict a big 7-1, 6-1, 10-1.
Nanu ya ana PSG ko say Inter 5-0.
Look, it's Inter Chelsea. And to put Chelsea needs certain baby maker on ultimate FM. Me say a pedigree-less PSG side, classless PSG side. Any team a what history, what class, a what pedigree when it comes to final games. Only will be a couple final. Now we'll predict 10-1, 7-1, 8-1, 6-1, 5-1 a day. So I need you know man for
Madrid. Sharing the championship final,
Madrid the same.
And a competition will be
any brand make it
no more score.
Oh there. Yes, I because the time now into there. My main call.
Okay.
Now this is what Kupama said. My main fan on say mean to me candy cause, but everyone talked a lot of dash about all of us this season. And the mentality of the Chelsea players is that it was time to show everyone the quality was there.
Wow.
Me share Chelsea games. I told you, team back. See, maybe I'm not say because me a Chelsea fan, but watching the pattern of play and watching the performance of the teams. Now to me, one teamer, the ball no, very impressive. Every department of the game, not Chelsea and lucky. And one was will be predicted an outcome of about 5-1, 6-1. Now, for you to beat PSG, Jack, Maresca no, my trying to push my salary to no. Now, what's that? Who administer PSG game? Never be the maomo. What does PSG? You started born and a PSG abobo na all PSG kick off now, so who pass it on and a PSG abobo no the amount. No more have a boy pressing game. You make the mistakes, then they keep punishing you. Until Real Madrid, by 10 minutes. Now Real Madrid head from 2. Enzo Maresca say